This is Jason from the QuickBooks team. If you use Amazon Business, you can save time with the Amazon Business Purchases app. QuickBooks will download your purchases directly from Amazon and help you track your purchases in greater detail. We'll go over how to connect your Amazon Business account to QuickBooks, and then categorize your purchases by line item so you can track exactly what you purchased. This app only works if you use an Amazon Business account. It is not available for Amazon.com accounts. To start, select Apps. Then search for Amazon Business Purchases and start the connection. Next, choose how far back you want QuickBooks to go when it downloads transactions from Amazon. Whatever you choose, you'll still be able to control which downloaded transactions to add to your books and show up on your reports. Once you've decided, select Agree. Enter your Amazon Business credentials to start the connection between your Amazon Business account and QuickBooks. Your new Amazon Business purchases will appear in QuickBooks automatically, though you will still need to confirm them before they go into your books. If you also download transactions from your bank and credit cards, it's important to add the transactions from the Amazon Business Purchases app first, and afterward, you can match them to what your bank or credit card sent you. Purchases from Amazon appear in QuickBooks just like your connected bank and credit card accounts. Transactions listed under the For Review tab are awaiting your approval and don't appear on your reports or financial statements until you confirm them. Once you've confirmed a purchase from Amazon, you'll find it in the Reviewed tab. It stays here unless you want to undo your approval and make a change. And if you ever download something that you don't want to add to your records in QuickBooks, you can exclude it. The Source Payee column displays the bank or credit card account you used when you made a purchase. Because you can use multiple bank and credit card accounts for these purchases, it's important to map what you see here to the bank and credit card accounts you already have in QuickBooks. Select Confirm Accounts. For each account, select the Account drop-down arrow and choose how you track that bank or credit card account in QuickBooks. Once you're done, select Save. Select a purchase to take a closer look. In this expanded view, you'll see the products you purchased and a link to the order in Amazon. For each product purchased, select a category that best describes what you bought. Once you're done, select Add. The transaction moves from the For Review tab over to the Reviewed tab. If you ever want to see the details of the purchase again, select it. And you'll see the same detail displayed earlier, along with a link to the order in the memo field. If you also download transactions from your bank or credit cards, you'll download the purchase from them too. Make sure you match it here after you've added it from Amazon Business Purchases. This confirms that the transaction was correct according to your bank or credit card's records. And it also ensures that you don't record the same transaction twice. Now you're ready to download your Amazon Business purchases directly into QuickBooks.